The next topic on our list under complex number is polar form of complex number. And I said polar form of complex number can be represented as z equals what? R plus what? Cos theta plus what? I sin theta. Right? So now let's say we have z1 is what? R1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1, and z2 to be R2 cos theta 1 plus what? I sin theta 2. Let's now find as if they are giving you two complex numbers to multiply, and they say you should find z1 multiplied by z2. From here, you can say z1 multiplied by z2 equals r1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 multiplied by what? Multiplied by r2 cos theta 1 plus 1 plus I sin theta 2. Right? So from here, you can say z1 multiplied by z2 is what? r1 r2 r1 r2 multiplied by cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 multiplied by what? Cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Right? From here, you can say z1 multiplied by z2 equals r1 r2 cos theta cos theta 1 open bracket what? Cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2 plus what? I sin theta 1 open bracket what? Cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Solve further. z1 multiplied by z2 equals r1 r2 cos theta 1 multiplied by cos theta 2 is what? Cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus cos theta 1 multiplied by I sin theta 2 is what? Cos theta 1 multiplied by I sin theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 multiplied by cos theta 2 is what? I sin theta 1 cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 multiplied by I sin theta 2 is what? I square sin theta 1 sin theta 2. From here, z1 multiplied by z2 equals r1 r2 half cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus, let's factorize I out. I cos theta 1 sin theta 2 plus what? Cos theta 2 sin theta 1. So plus I said I square, I equals what? Root minus 1, and I square will be what? Minus 1. So it will be what? Minus 1 sine theta 1 sine theta 2, everything bracket. Z1 multiplied by Z2 equals R1 R2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2. Let's bring this plus times minus is what? Is minus. Let's bring it to the front. Sine theta 1 sine theta 2 plus I cos theta 1 sine theta 2 plus cos theta 2 sine theta 1. From here, from your trigonometry ratio or trigonometry ratio, we have cos A minus B, cos A plus B is what? Cos A cos B minus what? Sin A sin B. And you have sin A plus B, which is equal to what? You have sin A cos B plus what? Sin B cos A. So now from here, Z1 multiplied by Z2 equals R1 R2. You will notice here that cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 is what? Cos A plus B. Let's say our theta 1 is A, theta 2 is what? Is B. Sin theta 1 is what? Is A, and sin theta 2 is what? Is B. Right? So we have what? Cos A plus B plus, we also notice here we have cos, let's say theta 1 is what? Is A, B, A and what? And B. So it's the same thing, just let's see, we have cos theta 1 sin theta 2 plus cos theta 1 sin theta 2. Let's rephrase the answer. We have sin theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 2 cos theta 1. So therefore, this one is same thing with sin A plus B. We now have what? Sin A plus what? Plus B. And everything has what? As I. In a complex number, you have this is a real part and this is our imaginary part. Imaginary part and what? Real part. From here, Z1 multiplied by Z2 equals what? R1 R2 cos, we are dealing with theta here. It's what? Theta 1 plus theta 2 plus what? I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. So that's all about polar form of complex number under multiplication. Example, it says Z1 to be what? 3 over cos, let's say cos what? Cos 45 plus I sin 45. And we have Z2 to be what? 5 cos 5, let's say 47, 47, and you have cos 2 plus degree and I sin 2 degree. So they now say you should find what? Z1 multiplied by what? Z2. The formula is what? Just note the formula to what? R1, R2. This is our R1, this is our R2. Our R1 is what? Is 3, and our R2 is what? Is 5. So therefore, our R1 is what? Is 3 multiplied by our R2 is what? Is 5. Cos, right? Cos theta 1 is what? Theta 1 is what? Is 47. We have what? 47 plus what? 47 plus what? Plus 2. The first one and the second one, theta 1, theta 2 plus what? I sin 47 plus 2. So now we have Z1 multiplied by Z2 equals, take it answer is what? 15 cos 47 plus 2 is what? 40, 49 degree plus what? I sin 49. That's how we solve for two complex number in polar form. That's how we solve it. So that is the answer. Just know the formula. It's the formula that we use to get the answer. Just know the formula. Z1 multiplied by Z2 equals what? R1 R2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus what? I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. Just note the formula. So that's all.